Hey, everybody, it's Dr. J. Kamal Akshan and Spikes from Live from Long Island, New York. Well, all you got to do is listen to me. For a change, I listen to myself, and it worked out really, really well. I told everyone, what do we call it? Future, we call it final thoughts. So I
Right.
don't remember what Kamal and Spike said, but I said I'm going to have to buy ETH because of the chart and because Professor Spike is telling me number two is better than number one sometimes.
Right.
Whole discussion on that. So I figured, what the hell, I'll buy some Ethereum. I always had an aversion towards buying anything but Bitcoin. I made an exception. And I also said I was going to buy more IWM. Both have made me a tremendous amount of money in just 2 days. So
Excellent.
sometimes I'm happy when I listen to myself. Kamal, what have you done the last couple of days
I sold my entire position in Wolf
for profit?
for profit, yes. Good profit. Could have been a lot better, but it's good profit.
Yeah. No, you got in around 3 and change, and you sold around 5. So it's
And
not
you
hard to
also sold
complain.
another, you took profits on BBAI, right?
BBAI, yes.
Nice.
You made good money on that too,
Yes.
right?
I made good money, a couple of grands, yes.
All
It
right, that's nothing
it
right.
went 15% today. BBAI.
Nice.
Yeah, it closed over 8. Suddenly I'm making money on it.
Yeah, I think I bought that one around 7. So
I bought it
not
in the
unhappy.
sevens. Oh, Chung bought it at first. I think he bought it the first
So
one.
Yeah. Yeah, that
Do
was
you,
a good
do
one.
you still have it? Do you still have it?
Yeah, I still have it. Yeah. Yeah.
Arjan, unlike me
You
and
you gonna,
Spike, we
are you going to add to it? I could be
Yeah,
a
I know,
baby
right?
talent.
keeps his winners. He keeps his winners. We keep our losers.
Exactly.
uh,
I sell my winners so I can.
yeah, I might add to it. I have some cash laying around from some trimming, so maybe. I didn't buy anything today. I've been
Charge,
busy.
what do you say we honor some requests today?
Yeah, that'd
Yeah,
be good.
we can honor
What do you guys
whatever.
think? I bought today? I bought TLT and I bought IEF.
I own a lot of TLT and I own a little IEF. I'm going to add to both probably
Yeah,
because
I
I'm
bought today.
convinced.
I
I'm
figured this is a
convinced
good
the
price.
rates will be cut beginning in the fall, whether it's
Yeah,
September or
rates
not
will
quite
be cut.
sure.
I'm pretty
Yeah, so
sure.
I think you're going to see lower 10-year bond, maybe as low as 3, and you'll make a
Yeah, I'm
lot
just
of
gonna
money
keep
with
buying
IEF.
bonds.
If I'm
I'm
right if I'm right with my thesis, there's money to be made with IEF. And in
Yeah.
at short
terms,
end. Yes,
besides
I agree.
besides the 4% yield, besides that.
Which
Of
one
course,
is it?
our opinion is strictly our own, right? Not investing in the doc.
TLT is the 20-year, and IEF is 7 to 10 years. That's the
TLT,
difference.
you could make even more money if you get a big move down. That one you really make.
Well, once Trump succeeds in firing Powell, the interest rate's
I
going to
don't
go
think
real
that's
low.
that's not happening.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
not happening. He can't. He doesn't have the authority to even do that.
What if he makes him quit?
I mean, I don't think. I
That
think it's.
guy's not going away. He's tough as nails.
I think it's a
All right.
He's not going
staring
away.
contest. It's a staring contest, and my money's on JP.
Okay.
All right, we got 2 requests for QS, Mantis and the gift. And then Circle we should do as well, because wasn't that bill passed today? The stablecoin bill?
It
Oh,
was.
One of them was,
yeah, that's
I
right.
don't know which
There
one.
were 2 bills on there, and one of them passed. I'm not sure which.
I think there were 3.
Yep.
One of them passed today. I think the one on stablecoin affecting Circle. We should look at Circle. Art is very philosophical as he counts his money. Another week in the book.
You still got tomorrow, Art.
Well, maybe he goes on vacation Fridays because he's got so much
Is
money.
this the one I think Linus made a mistake. He wanted yours, ASTS probably.
Yep, ASTS. That's been my big winner recently. We'll check.
I don't think I think he typed it wrong. What do you think?
I think so. I think Linus meant ASTS.
That's what I think.
but you know, we
Joaquin,
can hear it from the horse's mouth.
Joaquin, we haven't seen you in a while, right, Joaquin?
Right.
Yeah, this is a packed house. Look at this.
Tesla, is that Tesla? TSLA? Or is it
That might be. That's tests of English.
I don't know.
as a
I don't
second
know
language.
half of these. I don't know half of these symbols. TSL. I don't know what that is.
We'll learn about them, or we won't. I don't know.
All right, do something, John.
I've been presenting. Okay, there we go. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, so I want to highlight that we have a white background once again. Thanks to everyone for through the black background.
It's daytime.
Yeah, so we can see now. It's great.
When we did the night show in the winter,
and we have this vortex funnel pattern, whatever Dr. J calls it, where we have all on the show been bullish for a few weeks now, and Dr. J is on the record saying he's bullish till the end of the year. And
the last show I narrowed it down to, and what did I say, Kamal? End of August? I don't remember.
You said 750, whatever that is.
Look at this right here. Look where the funnel meets. 750 Halloween.
Okay, maybe that's perfect. That's really perfect.
Isn't that great? Look at this.
I couldn't ask for better.
I just drew this like 5 minutes ago, and
the problem with that funnel is you can cheat any which way you want.
Yeah, but it's our show, so we're doing it this way.
Okay.
Well, you know,
it's
a good thing I'm not charting.
I doubt it's gonna keep going up that way.
Yeah, exactly.
Sure.
It's going to break out before the apex, but it's still okay drawing.
Yeah, I think like you may see some turbulence at some point, but this current drawing it's fun because it gives us a date that I think isn't crazy, right? It's like two.
No, it's not crazy.
Could you do 1 month? Just 1 month.
You can see the swirling vortex, can you not?
Yeah, of course. So wait, 1 month. We're looking here at 1 month.
Yeah, look at that. I mean, that's impressive. You don't think there will be a correction after this?
No,
there are always small corrections on the way up. You know
I think we have some room to run for a little longer. I think the correction will come when we're at the high end of this channel, not the low end.
Probably. I mean, they could go higher than 750. This is a crazy market.
Yeah, it is. But I mean, I'm bullish short, medium term, and then long term, I'm still scared. But we'll see.
Look, I agree with you. Long term, let's say it reaches 800 SPY. Don't you think it's susceptible to 50% correction at that point?
Yeah, of course. Because if you look like the 1 year chart, right? I mean, we've been running hot for a while. I mean, I could see 400 coming after 800, but you know, we're at 630.
Well, at least 480 back to the starting point of the before the drop.
Yeah, absolutely.
480 is a very key support level.
Yeah, but we'll play it week by week, and for now,
you see that gap. You see that gap there. Like a month ago. There's a little gap right there. Yeah.
I love this chart if you're bullish player. Love it.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, we're gonna move on. I'm gonna flaunt one of my winners because it's fun. It's fun to show off these every so often. And I'm glad I held on. I think there was some temptation to trim.
This is ASTS?
ASTS.
Yes.
AST.
Well, you made a good call there, my friend.
Yeah, it's been a good one. I mean, I'm holding 90% of what I initially owned. I like this sector a lot. I think there's plenty of room here for growth, especially because Starlink has its flaws, and I think this company is going to eat into their market share a little bit. They're getting government contracts. So I'm excited during this price discovery period, and I'm not adding. I'm not selling. I'm just watching this.
It's okay to flaunt it. Ask Joe Namath. What did he say? If you got it, flaunt it, right?
Yeah, you got it. We don't flaunt every week, but this week is the week of flaunting.
It's okay as long as you got it. If you got it, you can flaunt it.
Let's flaunt your ETH play. What is it? ETH?
ETHV. I bought that a couple of days ago. I'm up like 20%.
Yeah, let's take a look.
You guys should also look at Lucid.
Oh, wow. Look at this. Beauty.
Yeah, it's doing even better than ETHA.
So you bought it at 40?
I bought it pretty low. I don't even remember the number.
Wow.
But,
I mean, yeah, I see why. It's perfect cup and handle.
Right after the show. I don't know what it was after showtime, but right after.
It's a perfect cup and handle. I mean, it broke out.
Yeah.
There's definitely resistance here. I don't like it at these levels, but I wish I bought it when you did.
Tom Lee says there's room for Ethereum to run to 5,000. What is it now? 3,000?
Yeah, what's it at?
Around 3,000 now.
This is not it. I don't know how you find ETH USD, right? ETH USD. Yeah. 5,000. Yeah, that would be an all-time high.
Tom Lee says there's room to run, and he also is the CEO now of BMNR, an Ethereum company.
I do not like it at this level, but I think I'll buy a pullback here. I think this is making one giant cup. And then usually what happens when these cups form is there's a pullback to about, I'm going to say about 3150.
Sure, that seems like a good number.
And 3150 to 3200 is where I personally would be probably.
Quickly chart Tom Lee's company.
Could you hold on. Could you look in November? You see this chart? Do you see the resemblance last November?
Yes.
Do you see it?
I do. Yeah, and the thing is, yeah, if last November, if we're at the peak, then it pulled back about a few hundred.
5%.
Yeah, so I mean, I think you might see something similar here.
A lot of symmetry.
Right. That's my point. Yep.
Tom Lee's the company is BMNR, I believe.
Okay, BMNR, and then we'll do some of the audience picks because we have a lot today. So
you heard of Peter Thiel, the billionaire? Have you heard of him?
Never heard of him.
Well, he invested a lot of billions in this little company.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. I've heard of him. He's got Palantir. He's done all sorts of stuff.
Yep.
This is a strange chart, but I mean,
what's it at?
Right now, it's at about $42.
I don't know what he paid for it, Peter Thiel. And probably a couple of days ago he bought in.
Yeah, I mean, it's right at the 20-day moving average, but the company is only 20 days old. So
if you like Tom Lee and you believe in him, this is a good one.
Yeah, true. Yeah, I mean, it seems like a reasonable entry point if you like it. Because
I don't know what the hell it does, except it's an Ethereum company.
Yeah, I don't know.
What about Circle for Mantis?
Yeah, we'll try to do all of the audience asks.
Yeah. QS and Circle, two of them.
Because we're so nice like that. Oh yeah, this is fun. I like this chart.
Which one's this, QS? What's the Circle?
Circle, yeah. I mean, it's got like a nice little trend upwards here. Yeah, I think. I mean, once again, right? These new companies, it's hard to really know.
The question is it wise to short Visa and MasterCard now? because a lot of these transactions are going to bypass. Once you have stablecoin, you don't need Master or Visa, right?
That's true. Yeah, that seems like a reasonable play. I hadn't thought of it that way, but yeah.
Maybe you go long circle and short Visa.
Yeah.
Somebody said that. It's not an original thought.
I have to reset up all my bills now with something else.
By the way, that's not an original thought. I don't want to take credit where credit is not due.
Right.
It's a good chart. It's a good short-term chart. Yeah. I mean, I think what you said makes sense with.
It has a lot of go, circle.
Yeah,
Certainly
but this
going
one
in the
moves
right,
every day like
it's going in the
$20.
right direction. I'd rather buy it than short it.
I do want to do SMCI because I have some.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm still holding.
And yeah, Mantis likes this one, I think, and I see why. I think this is. I continue to like
finally
this.
recovering a little bit, anyway.
Yep. But I really do like this one. I think that you might see a pullback soon, but I mean, we're seeing a lot of cup and handles across these charts. I think it'll maybe handle around 55, little pullback, and then. I mean, I think this has legs. It looks good.
It's a beautiful trend line.
Yeah, no, it was in the 70s for a while.
No, it's a beautiful.
Really good. I think price target 75 for me.
Beautiful trend line.
I'll break even.
Draw that lower trend line.
Yeah, I'll draw the trend line. I'm targeting 75 here. I think I'll start to trim in the 60s. Because I think my average is 45, but I have to check.
Yeah, right from there. That's perfect. That's how I would draw it.
I sold this at 65.
Yeah, I think that's probably where I'll try to sell it too if it gets back there. Yeah, it's a great chart.
What is it again?
SMCI microcomputer.
Oh yeah, 53 now.
It's an nvda adjacent.
Well, what is it now? 53?
Yeah, 53. So I would like it to get at least to this high here before I sell. I think that number is 66.44. So something around there.
It's a great looking chart. It's so many great looking charts.
Yeah, it is. What else actually, we've done two of Mantis's. Well,
can you do Tesla? Just I want to point out something. It's struggling with the 50-day.
Yeah, I've been a little bit scared of Tesla.
Could you do 1 month? Just 1 month.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Tesla.
Do you see the 50-day moving average? It's like it hits it and goes back down. Hits it, goes back down.
Yeah, it's done that a few times.
Yeah, that's what I want to point out. So.
Yeah, I mean
just recently.
The interesting thing though is the 200 seems to be support. I mean, they're converging.
I think it's boring to look at Tesla day to day. Look at it in a year or two.
Yeah, well, you're going to hold on to it anyway, right? You're not.
Well, yeah. I mean, it's forming a pennant. It looks like it's forming a flag.
It looks kind of bullish.
What kind of flag? What kind of flag?
Yeah, good question.
I think it's bullish.
It depends on how you draw the pennant.
I think you can draw it. This isn't going to be perfect, but this is how I would draw it. Give me a second.
More bullish than bearish.
Yeah, I think the chart is bullish. Something like that. I mean,
That's the way I would draw it, but then it's hard to say what it is.
Well, it's more bullish than bearish.
I mean, the highs are getting lower and the lows are getting higher. It's going to come to a head, probably. I think
Uber's going to fight them tooth and nail for the robo-taxi market. They have to.
Yeah.
Right. Speaking of which, that's why Lucid went up today.
Yeah. Lucid flew 60% move, I think.
Yes.
What else? The gift wanted QS.
So does Mantis want that. I don't know what it is, QS.
If I've heard of this, I forgot. Oh, I've seen this name before, but I don't know what it is. I have no idea. Hopefully it loads. Hopefully my computer doesn't explode.
Is it some kind of quantum play? I don't know what it is.
I mean, oh wow, yeah. I kind of wish I bought this, huh?
If you're in it,
Let's do the year.
congratulations. If you're in it,
Let me do
congratulations.
the 5 year.
If you're not in it, don't buy it now.
Yeah, don't bother.
What is that?
Quantum play.
What is what?
QS? Wow.
I don't know. I don't know if it's a quantum play. I made that up.
The name is
You know,
Quantum
somebody,
Space.
one of my
That's
friends
like
told me
Quantum's
to
name.
buy this. One of my friends told me to buy this 2 months ago, and I didn't listen.
Well, for next time he says something, listen.
No, he's usually wrong.
Oh.
But this one, the reason I didn't like it is it was just in this clear downtrend.
I got a tip at the beach club yesterday on NVIS. NVIS. I don't know why I remember the symbol. Normally I forget the tips. But
Is it a Denmark company?
I don't know what the hell it is.
Leverage shares.
N is nobody. B is in business. I is in.
NBIS.
Oh, NBIS. I'm like, I don't even know what I'm looking at.
This chart looks horrible.
Yeah, but we're looking at the wrong one.
Nebius Group.
I think it's a data center play. I'm not sure.
Yeah, give me a sec. It's loading.
Don't know really what it is. Some kind of tech. I didn't look into it.
This is just not.
But the guy who gave it to me is actually a pretty good investor. So.
Okay. Yeah. Hopefully this loads.
He's not just the cab driver or the mailman. I'll rate him up there as a decent investor.
Yeah, it's a good chart. Good trend.
Yeah, it's.
So what made it jump? What made it make that after many down days?
I don't know. I don't know the company.
Right.
It looks to me like it's
got a lot of gaps to fill.
Looks to me like it's range bound between 45 and 55.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be boring until it reaches a new high.
It's got to break out. They tried today but failed. So.
Yeah, I mean, I could be convinced.
The Dutch semiconductor, according to Indonesia.
I could be convinced to buy the 20-day moving average.
I would buy it if it breaks out. Otherwise, I'm not buying it.
Yeah, that's fair.
Now, a couple of weeks ago, you suggested instead of looking at individual semis, to do which one? SHR?
I like SMH.
Oh, SMH. Okay.
I think it's at an all-time high now.
Yeah, I have some
because that might be in there.
Yeah, I have a little bit of this one. I think because
this is phenomenal move for an ETF.
Yeah, I mean, I don't even need to draw a trend line. It's just the 20-day.
Phenomenal.
Yeah, let's go further back in time just to see. Okay, all-time high. Yeah, I have nothing to say here. It's just going up.
Yeah, I mean, you could sell some of your NVIDIA, take profits, and buy this. It diversifies.
Yeah, it's a beautiful chart.
It does look very nice. Looks like
you get 30 names instead of one. You know, like if you have overweight NVIDIA. I mean, that's just a thought.
If you bought this during all the tariff, blah blah blah, then you've made 60%.
Yeah, you're pretty happy.
It's been a tremendous mover.
Yeah, I have a little, but I bought it. I forget when I bought it. I think.
Well, we were talking about this a while back.
I think my average.
I've been salivating at it, but instead I bought more NVIDIA. So
I bought it here. I bought it in the 240s.
I'm happy I bought more NVIDIA, so I'm not complaining.
Exactly. You can't really complain. You can't cry with 2 loaves of bread under your arms.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's do. Oh, it's 5 o'clock. Let's do one more and then call it.
Yes. Pick anything you want.
We'll end with my platinum play because I want to highlight that it's still really showing a lot of strength. And
IMPUI?
SBSW.
Oh, okay.
And it just keeps going up. Just keeps going up.
Metals are good.
Metals are good.
Yeah, well, as our rare earths.
This one though,
almost everything is good.
Yeah, this one I'm mostly out of it. I kept a little, but I'm gonna be fully out by $10. I don't feel the need to see this one fully through. But I mean, this was first alerted by yours truly in the threes, so it's another flaunt. We're gonna flaunt a little more.
Yeah, right. Well, your IMPY is doing very, very well also these last 2 months.
Yeah, I sold that one though, so
it's a beautiful, beautiful chart.
And that's all.
We looked at nothing but beautiful charts today.
Yes,
it's making me more bullish.
It's making me scared.
Final thoughts, Kamal?
I'm feeling pessimistic, unlike you guys. I'm thinking something might, I think the market is too hot.
Too hot to handle by
a little correction.
My friend Andy, you know my friend Andy? He told me he bought puts on the S&P, long-term puts. That means it's definitely time to go long.
Yeah.
It's the
Andy, if you're watching, I'm sorry. I apologize.
Sounds like a man after my own brain.
John, final thoughts.
I think final thoughts are for the next month, I'm still pretty confident that we're going to see some gains. I think once we get closer to Labor Day, I'm going to start to get a little bit more cautious, but right now I'm trying to be as invested in the market as possible, as little cash as I've had in a while.
Spike, final thoughts.
I like staying with fixed income and metals.
And you still like Ethereum and Bitcoin?
I'm staying with Ethereum, but now I'm starting to get a little scared. But no, anything that's not an equity.
Okay, and me, I tell you what I did. I did sell a little Apple. I might continue to sell a little Apple and continue to move it into IWM. And also, I might add to my Ethereum, especially on any dip. Adios, amigos, and ciao.
Take care, bye.